Hey riders, welcome back to a brand new video guys. So today me and Uday are going to buy the Parani for our helmets. It's like an intercom system for your helmets. As we are planning for a tour in the future. So who knows if Uday is coming for touring, but he was like, oh no, we should get it. We need it because we have to communicate when we're far away. So we're getting this intercom system which is needed so we can communicate to each other when we're far away through our helmets without even plugging in our phones or anything, just connected through Bluetooth.
Yes.
And the intercom has a mesh system so you can completely communicate. So we're getting the Parani guys. So we have been checking for the stocks of Parani and we're not getting it anywhere. We tried in HDRZ Mods, our favorite place. We've tried in a few more. But we finally got it in Orion Customs.
Orion Motors.
Orion Motors in Koramangala. It's literally far and we are a bit late and we still have to get ready and then leave. So I think it'll take a good 45 minutes from our place.
Yes.
So as soon as we're there, I'll get back to you guys because I don't want to do any motor vlogging because it's filled in traffic. And Uday is sitting behind me, so I can't talk anything because he'll be blabbering something or the other. So we'll get back to you guys as soon as we reach the place. Peace. So guys, we just reached the place. It took us around 1 hour, 10 minutes even after lockdown. The traffic is amazing.
It is horrible.
In Koramangala, I think we took around 20 minutes just to find the place because everything is one way and all. But we finally reached the store. And we'll just go in and just hope for Parani to be there. Yesterday this guy called and they told it's there. So let's just hope for it. And I'll catch you guys as soon as we fix the Parani. Peace. Hey riders, we just got the stuff fixed for our helmet. It's the Parani. So I'll explain you guys exactly regarding the Parani as soon as we reach home. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's like a small connection for the helmet, as you guys can see. And I'll tell you more about it as soon as we reach home. Peace. So guys, we're back after 2 weeks of using the amazing Parani. So guys, this is the Parani. And it's just nice intercom system if you ask me in the price range guys. It costs around 5,999, 6K to be honest.
Almost all the lowest intercoms cost.
Yeah, in the low budget intercoms, it's a really nice one guys. I've been using it and even Uday has been using it. Yeah. And we've used it for a ride, like we've used it 7 times till now in these 2 weeks. And we used it for a ride and it was beautiful guys. The distance isn't that much for like the communication and all because it's an intercom. We can talk, but if Uday or me goes a little far, like a further distance, it kind of gives a crackling sound.
Probably 600 meters, you could say.
Yeah. So other than that, it's a beautiful intercom, guys, and it's an easy fix, you know. You guys, this is Uday's new helmet. If you can see the MT.
It looks too good.
Yeah.
The MT Thunder.
Yeah. So guys, we just have to fix it in the corner over here. It's a very easy fix, and you just have to connect this wire, and this wire is connected to 2 speaker pods over here. One in this side, one in the left, and one in the right. And we even get a microphone for the like the talking and all that, like communication. And it's a really easy fix guys. It maximum might take you around 10 minutes, nothing more than 10 minutes.
Yes.
And the only thing which is going to be a problem for you is going to fix this joint in the side of your helmet depending on the helmet you have.
Yeah.
Because if you have a rubber side or anything, it's going to be very hard to push it in. But other than that, it's really nice guys. You guys should try it. Like if you guys are not like into riding and want an intercom system, I think if you're into the low budget side, you can buy a Parani any day.
Yes.
And if you guys are really rich like Uday, you guys can even go for
No.
You can go for Senna. Like Senna's the best right now, guys. If you ask me, it starts around 15K, but the best one's around 26 or 27K for each pod. But yeah,
I'll be rich if I sell my kidney.
yeah. So guys, it's a really nice product, guys. We've been using it and it's really nice.
It looks good also.
I'll give you like a 1-year ownership review if it is still alive, but I don't know how these intercoms work. So let me just see if it works out for 1 year. I'll definitely do an update regarding it. And if you look into it, this thing is really nice. You guys can listen to music. You can talk to your friends, whoever have a Parani. and you can call friends or anything, and even you can get into navigation. It's very easy, and it's a really nice thing, and even the sound clarity is amazing, guys, and it's a really modern look if you ask me. I'll tell Uday to keep a few montage videos with the helmet and him wearing it also if I can. But yeah, guys, it has an LED screen over here which tells you, like, explains you, and easy to understand. It's very easy to connect, guys. Anytime you can just connect it in a second, maximum a second, and connecting it with your friend once, and it'll be connected always. Whenever your friend's around, he'll automatically be like joined. It's like a mesh network. So if he's around a 600 meters radius, he'll automatically be connected to you. So it's a beautiful machine, guys. If you guys are looking into an intercom, you guys can definitely look into it.
You forgot one problem.
What?
It only connects to other Parani.
Yeah, it only connects to another Paranis, guys, not other intercoms.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, if you guys look into the short budget, like under 10K, I think this is the one to go for. There might be other ones, but for us, I've been doing a lot of research on these things, and I thought this is the best for now.
It's been like 2 months of research.
Yeah, so I think we'll be doing a tour in the future, and that time I'll just tell you if any problems or we go on undergo anything. But the only thing I'll be questioning, like I'll be always thinking in my head is, see, this wire keeps popping out. So the thing is, suppose it rains and this metal gets rusted on the top, I think there'll be a problem for connection. So I think we should just hide it in. I'll just look into that and figure it out and give you any updates regarding that. But hopefully, if you guys liked the video today, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys, and join the ST Attitude community. Peace.